Okay, my friends in YouTube land and all my supporters around the world, this is Winston Chow, cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, I'm lining up a new recipe, yes, for my channel. It's gonna be chicken pop chow or pop chow chicken. Yes, vegetable pop chow chicken. Yes, this is my next video that will be coming to you on the Winston Chow Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, my friends, Winston Chow TV, chicken pop chow, coming to you very soon. Yes. You're watching the Winston Chow Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, stove is turned off. I'm gonna share out my pop chow chicken. Yes, my pop chow chicken, my vegetable pop chow chicken. Yes, nothing elaborate. Potato on here. So that is my plate. We have the pop chow chicken. Yes, we have the white rice, and we have some mashed potatoes. So that's what it looks like. That's the finishing product. You're seeing this on the Winston Chow Cooking and Discovery TV.